In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use motion tracking in Capcut PC. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are going to open Capcut in your computer. If you already have an icon of Capcut on your desktop, you can just double click on it to open it. Or if you don't have an icon of Capcut on your desktop, you can type into the search box of Windows for Capcut. And then you will be able to see here Capcut in the search results. So just click on it and then click on new project to start creating a new project. Once you're here, first of all, I'm going to import some media from here to show you how you can use motion tracking. Now I'm going to drag the media to the timeline. And once we are here, as you can see in the options located at the upper right side of the screen, you can see here that we cannot find here tracking option. So to get the tracking option, you are going to duplicate layers here. First of all, I'm going to copy the first layer by right clicking and then clicking on copy. And then just click here, right click and paste. Now as you are able to see here that we have two layers here. And if we see in the options on the upper right side of the screens, now we are able to see here the option tracking. Just click on that and then you are going to click on motion tracking. After that, you are able to see here the settings and you want to make sure that the scale and distance are both enabled. Once you have done that, you are going to adjust this yellow square on the screen according to the object you want to track the motion of. So for example, I want to track the motion of this car, so I'm going to adjust this yellow square according to this car. And once you have done that, you are going to click on start. And then you are just going to wait until this tracking loading has been completed. As you can see here that our loading has been completed, and now I'm going to run this clip to see what changes are done. Once I run this, you are able to see here that now it is tracking motion of the object, which is car in my case. So similarly, you can use the motion tracking in Capcut PC in the similar way.